Thermal properties of water. All known solids decrease in size as they grow colder. This is also true for all known liquids. As their temperature decreases, they contract. Decreasing volume means that their density increases, and thus the colder parts of the liquids become heavier. In water, this law is violated. Like other liquids, water contracts in volume as it grows colder, but it only does this down to a certain temperature 4 degrees Celsius. Thereafter, unlike all other known liquids, it suddenly begins to expand, and when it finally solidifies or freezes, it expands even more. As a result, solid water is lighter than liquid water. According to the normal laws of physics, solid water or ice ought to be heavier than liquid water and should sink to the bottom when it forms. Instead, it floats. Other liquids freeze from the bottom up, water freezes from top down. This is an unusual property of water, and it is crucial for the existence of water in the seas on Earth. If it did not have this property, a great part of the water on the planet would freeze and life in lakes and oceans would cease. There are many places in the world where the temperature falls below 0 degrees Celsius in winter. Such cold weather will affect the water in the seas and lakes. As water gets colder, it becomes heavier and sinks, and warmest layers rise to the surface where they are cooled by the cold air, until it reaches 4 degrees Celsius, at which point everything suddenly changes. After this, the water begins to expand, and it becomes lighter as the temperature drops. As a result, the 4 degrees Celsius water remains on the bottom, the 3 degrees Celsius water above it, the 2 degrees Celsius water above that, and so on. Only at the surface the temperature falls to 0 degrees Celsius, and water freezes. The 4 degrees Celsius layer of water beneath the ice remains liquid, and that is enough for underwater creatures and plants to continue to live. Therefore, water is just right for life that cannot be compared with any other liquid. It should be obvious that this cannot be all accidental and thus indicating a planned creation by a creator.